All right, this is Amanda Seifert, and I have my third new technology. This site is called Room Recess, and it's found at roomrecess.com. This website had a wide variety of academic areas and different skills for my students. They can definitely learn through playing games that are set up more in a video game style. They think they're playing rather than learning. Over here, this is just the home page for Room Recess. Over here, you can see it goes all the way from kindergarten up to 6th grade. These are the different content areas, just different things you can do. I'll kind of show you through those. First of all, there's a learn more here, but this gives you a little brief idea of what Room Recess is all about. Scrolling down, it just gives you examples of the top math games that can be played for math skills. There's a section for reading skills, word skills, so learning words with puzzles and games. Then there's a lab where they could do mouse skills and typing skills, which are they're starting to do more of in kindergarten. Then there's extras, just different games and tools, things that may be a little above the kindergarten level. There's a timer here. Again, down here you can click math, reading, and word skills. That just gives you all of the options. I liked up here at the top where I could search kindergarten. And they kind of combine the kindergarten and first grade games, which will be good for some of my high achieving kiddos who need to be pushed a little bit more. These are free games. It will hold their interest, it says. They like bright colors, fun sounds, numbers, letters, give simple instructions. The kindergarten games encourage to count and recognize numbers as well as identify letters and sounds, which is something we really work hard on at the beginning of the year. For emerging students, they could do first grade games that take the educational value up a step farther. So just like I had said, they can work up if they need to, which makes it really nice. Then under here is where they pull out and separate, rather than clicking on all of these and getting all the way from K to 6 math games. Here they've separated into first and kindergarten math games. They've got color match, syllables. So these are, I guess, not just math games, math and reading, sorry. So, as a teacher, you might pick out a game. This is what you're going to work on today. If this is something I may put out in an afternoon center, I might let the kiddos choose what they want to play. They really like kind of having that, the choice. Obviously, there'd be rules about where to stay. They can't go clicking down here or anything like that, or downloading any of these games. So we definitely have lots of rules in place for our technology safety. If you click over here on math, it just talks a little bit about all the games that are online. You can preview. Then these are all of the math games that this website has. So you can keep scrolling. Go back up here to the top. The same with reading, words. Mobile is what you can get on your mobile devices. So they can be played on any device, which is kind of cool. And again, this is a free website, so something I might send home in a parent letter, especially towards the end of the year. Everybody's always wanting stuff for summertime. So this I really felt was really cool, something the kids could be independent on, something that would push those kiddos that need a little more advanced. Definitely something I'd have to go around and play around on the games with. To get used to them and see exactly which ones I'd like the kids on. And like I said, if it was a open center time, they could kind of choose what they would like. So the reason I selected this is because I'm always looking for new ideas and learning games for my academic centers. This would be focused on my content area, of course. The purpose for the selection, like I said, would be used at centers. Could be even in actual inside recess time. We had quite a bit of that this winter. Fun, but they're still learning. The audience would be my classroom students. And then I did have the ISTE standards. The first one was the design standard under education 5A. Use technology to create, adapt, and personalize learning experience that foster independent learning and academic learning differences and accommodate learning differences and needs. So this one would do that. And then it was also under education, the facilitator 6B, manage the use of technology and students' strategies in the digital platform, virtual environment, or hands-on. So that would be something I'd be responsible for there. So again, this is a really cool website. Hope you can have time to head on over and check it out. Thanks.